It's fine. There you go. Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Dana and I am going to do a quick budget with me for my paycheck of September 7th. So September 7th. So what I like to do is usually put it in like a little bullet journal type thing, but unfortunately I've just been so busy that I never got to finish the bullet journal, so not done. So I will not be having one for September, and I'm just skipping this month, moving straight on to October. So that is why we are old school today with a piece of paper and a pen. But what I'm going to be doing is budgeting $535, and that is how much I got paid. Now I did have a doctor's appointment, so unfortunately, because I wasn't there to work, I don't get paid, you know. I wish it didn't work that way. I wish I could get paid every second of the day. But I do not. So what I'm going to do right now is just do this super quickly. So my rent, what I do for, let's see, actually let me head into this a little bit different. So my rent all the way down to right here is all of my bills. Now I broke up my bills so that every single week I just go ahead and put 1/4 of an estimation on what my bills will be, and then I move forward from there. And so in this one right here, my rent, I am going to be putting $125 for my rent. For my electricity, I will be putting $50. Okay, and this is a little bit more only because my electricity was kind of a lot this month, so yeah. Gas bill is going to be getting $10. My insurance for my car is about $30. Internet is going to be running me $25. And then I think be putting a little bit of extra. Yeah, let me go ahead and put a little bit of extra in here. Now this extra is because unfortunately I wasn't here and I made the horrible mistake of not paying my bill, so I got disconnected for like a half a day. And so I have a disconnection fee on there. My phone bill is, my phone bill is going to be getting $10. My storage unit is going to be getting $25. I have a bank fee, and I thought that like if I got direct deposit that the bank fee would go away, but it has not. But as of right now, I'm actually not going to put anything this week toward it. Or my Amazon, it's going to get nothing. And Walmart is going to be getting nothing. Last time, all I could get out was 5s, and so I'm probably just gonna do that in the future. So maybe like every other week I'll put money in there to add up the fees, because this TD Bank is only $7. I think it's like $6 actually. Amazon is $6 or $7, and then Walmart is $14. Thrive is $25. Now Thrive is a new bill. When I was working for that non-profit, they gave me a bonus, and I now have to pay back. So I am now in debt. I signed a contract saying that I would pay them $100 a month, so that breaks up to be $25 a week. So that is what I am on. I ended up getting the sign-on bonus, and I used the money to fix some stuff that was wrong with my car and attempt to get out of debt while stocking up on food and stuff like that. I bought my son a bed because he is now sleeping in the living room. Long story. It's just, it sucks. I wish I could have like kept that money, but I had a feeling that I shouldn't have taken it in the first place, and now I know why, because I have to pay it back. For TD Bank is going to be getting $10. Now this one is my credit card. My credit cards have been running me about $40 a month, so I'm going to definitely putting this money toward that. And for some reason they all are averaging like the same amount, so I'm just going to put $10 for each. So that would be TD Bank credit card, $10. Burlington credit card, $10. JCPenney, $10. And Hot Topic will get $10. So that is my fixed expenses. These ones right here are my variables. They do change every now and then. I hope that you can see them. There isn't too many glares, but I've been doing $50 for gas money, but gas has come down just a smidge. So I'm going to try to do $40. I do have a miscellaneous fund if I do need the 50. Right now I'm going to do 40. It does take 70 to fill up my car. And yeah, I don't really get to keep my car on full a lot. Alright, so for groceries, I am going to be cutting this bill just a little bit. So I'm going to be putting $60. Sabrina has been like buying some groceries, which has been helping us. Like when she cooks, she'll buy like everything that she needs for that meal, which is just helping me a lot. And to be honest with you, I'm trying to save every penny, because if my income taxes do not come in, then I have to come up with like $6 grand on my own. So that way we could go to Halloween Horror Nights. And I'm dreading this, so I'm saving all my pennies, cutting anything out that I can. For house, my house expense is going to get $5. Right now I am pretty good on toilet paper, dish soap, paper towels. I don't have paper plates, but oh well. I have dish soap, so yeah. I pay these kids to do dishes, and then we use paper plates. How does that work? Don't know. For my pets, they are going to be getting $5. Now, I usually spend, their bag of food went to $17. Right now, they don't need the food, and that's why I'm only putting in 5, but next week I most likely will be putting in 10, just to like kind of balance it out. This pets category, and I think I'm going to do the house as well, are going to be my rollover categories. So if this does not get spent for some reason, then it will be going into another envelope and rolling over, just accumulating, because I don't want to carry a lot of money on me, but I need to carry money on me, you know. Like, I don't want $1,700 on me because, like, I need this and I need that and I need this. No, my wallet is simple, and I'm just keeping these categories in my wallet, and I'm trying to leave everything under $20 except for gas. Gas is a one-time thing. You go in, you just give them all the money, and then you don't have to worry about that. And then groceries is the only big expense. So I guess I carry a little bit, about a little bit over 100 on me. But just in case I lose my wallet, if I misplace it, if someone steals it, if I get robbed, I'd rather get robbed for like $100 than $1,000. So I'd rather not be robbed at all. But if I had to choose, you know. So knock on wood that never happens. Miscellaneous is $5. This one does get saved in there and accumulated up until $20. Once it gets to $20, everything over that just goes away, because obviously I'm not using it. And then I usually have a dining out for my lunches or breakfasts, but right now I'm not even worried about that. Not doing that right now. The bus is a new category. I think that's why I'm like trying to cut expenses as well. But my kids are in school right now, and they take the city bus home, and where they go to school they have to pay for the city bus. They actually don't give them free bus passes, and they don't give them buses home. So it's kind of complicated, so I won't get into it. My son has a bus, my daughter doesn't have a bus, but it doesn't come all the way home. So I have to basically pay for them to get on the bus to get home every day, and that is about $20 a week. I'm going to just go ahead and put $10 in there. I know that it's not a lot, but they do have money on their card right now. So we're just going to do the 10. And then for remainder, I have some money this right here. Oh, sorry. So this is my variable expenses. This one right here is just like sinking funds, or what I'm trying to save up for now. So right now the concert is going to be the 17th in Ohio. I originally chose Ohio because I have family living out there. She just told me this weekend that she's selling her house and she moved out. So after having all these plans like set in stone, they kind of just fell through. But we're still going for this concert because it's non-refundable, and I love these bands like so much, and so do my kids. So we're definitely gonna go. I just have to try to come up with the money. So yes, but you know what? I'd rather be struggling over a concert and, you know, like being short with that than struggling with something like my brakes, like which I was struggling to get fixed. And the person who I was supposed to stay with is my aunt. She actually paid for my brakes to get fixed because they were so bad that I couldn't drive my car anymore. They said that I was metal to metal on the front and the back. So thank God I was able to, you know, to get somewhere. So the concert is going to be getting $20. HHN is going to be getting $20. So I'm saving up to buy tickets so we can go to Halloween Horror Nights and Universal. It's something that me and my kids love, Halloween. But sometimes, like, we don't really get to go. We always went to Disney for Halloween, and now, like, they're kind of over that, so we go to Universal. So that is what this is. And then I am going to be putting $10 into my car just because I'm saving up to fix my car and get it registered and all the awesome things that I have to do. So I'm going to go ahead and hope and pray, because I usually do a zero-based budget. So I'm going to hope and pray that I did this correctly. So I have 535. This 125. I bought a calculator, but it's in the other room, and I'm like not trying to get up and get it because I'm being like super lazy right now. But how was your weekend? How was your Labor Day? Did you guys get to go anywhere? Me and my kids, like, we wanted to go to the beach so bad. And so my family is from Seaside. Believe me, I'm not from Seaside. Every time I see my family, I'm learning that I'm like the cousin Eddie from National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation. Like, I'm that guy. I'm the white trash of my family, which there's nothing wrong with being white trash. I don't think so anyway. But, you know, I'm the mess of my family. And so all my family has all their stuff together, and I'm just like winging it day by day, just trying to survive and raise kids, which, to be honest with you, half of them don't have kids. So I would be rich too if I didn't have kids. Probably not. I'd probably be traveling the world. So I'd probably still be poor on a budget. But yeah, everything would be different. So I'm just it's just funny. But my kids wanted to go to the beach, and we haven't gone to the beach all year because I left a job, I started a new job, I couldn't get time off, and I was working, then I had COVID. I'm like sick right now too and something, but I think it's just because of the changing of seasons. But yeah, it's just been crazy. We have not been to the beach all year, so we gotta do something. We gotta make this like right somehow. But I did it, guys. I got to 0, so I did it correctly. This is a zero-based budget, and this is going to be my budget for the week of September. It's crazy that I now get paid weekly. Like, before it was every 2 weeks, but now I'm like, I don't want to say I'm overwhelmed, but it's weird to always have money. Like, always have money. Like, when I got paid bi-weekly, like, if I ran out of money, then I would have to wait till the next week. But I knew that it was coming. It wasn't, like, horrible. But now it's like, oh, I ran out of money. And then now there's more money coming. And so I'm like, I'm wondering if I can still continue to cut some of these expenses down. You know, that's what I'm trying with, like, the gas money. Instead of 50, I'm doing 40. The groceries, which I'm pretty sure that's spelled wrong. But it's alright. We're not perfect. I mean, Jensen Eccles is perfect, and Michael B. Jordan is perfect. Oh my god, he's so perfect. I'm like a teenager over here. I'm like, beauty. But anyway, Now that you know my celebrity crushes. And Spencer Charnas from Ice Nine Kills. He's hot too. And Andy Black. Yeah, but I think that's it. He's in Black Veil Brides. Yeah, I'm all over the place. But anyway, that's not the point. The point is that I can't spell, but I'm trying to cut down this. So, right now, I feel like food, even though it's going up and up and up, right now it's like you eat what's in the pantry. So if I only have oatmeal, I'm only eating oatmeal. I don't care if that's for breakfast. I don't care if that's for lunch. I don't care if that's for dinner. I don't care right now because I'm trying to save as much money as possible and just go through everything because we throw away a lot of food. And like, not me in particular, but everybody throws away a lot of food and we don't realize how much we throw away because like some people don't eat leftovers, or some people don't, you know, clean out their fridge often enough to know that they put something in there 2 years ago and totally forgot about it because it was at the bottom. So that is what I'm working on right now, just trying to save every dime, every penny that I can get. But oh, as I hit this, sorry guys, my ADD brain has gotten away from me again. I'm just going to bring this up a little bit closer so that way you can see what I was talking about. Hopefully you can see that. Alright guys, so I will see you in the next video. It should be the cash stuffing for this, and it's going to be like $800 because my daughter's been saving up money for the concert. We're going to put that together, and then my money from last week. So yay, it's gonna be a good one. But I will see you guys later. I hope that you have a really good night. Bye.